today, I'm do something a little different. I want a worm bin. Got myself an old used bin. Need to modify it a little bit. One of the first things it's going to need is a good drain hole. Don't need to be fancy or expensive. I'm literally building this out of what I have laying around. Needs a hose. The hose is so that you can collect fluid that comes out of the worm bin. Nice and easy and fast. Nothing special. Needs a lid. I don't have the lid for this one, but I've got an old piece of plywood that'll work. It'll need a few holes in it. You'll need some kind of medium. Medium should be something that you know that they're going to live in, they're going to eat, something that they're going to like. What I have on hand is some compost. Fill it about halfway full. Of course, you'll need some worms. These are from a local bait shop. Nice, fat, happy worms. Good mass of red wigglers in here. Then you'll need to set them up somewhere on some blocks with the lid on it and a weight on the lid to keep things from getting into it. Don't forget to feed them about once a week. They like cardboard, coffee grounds, compost, kitchen scraps. Real easy. The setup is real easy. Just put it on a couple blocks. Put it in a place where it stays mostly in the shade. Put a lid on it. Put some kind of weight on top of it. In my case, that's to keep the raccoons out. Other people might have slightly different problems. Got a hose coming out of it. That hose you can attach a bottle to and collect the fluids. I'll cut it to length later. Get me an appropriate sized bottle. And that's all there is to it. It's quick, it's easy, and I think I spent about $1.25 on this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Wait,
Nice.
I didn't start it yet.
Okay. Here, I'll even squat.